Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Arunachala CSC YouTube channel. This video is about the functional units of computer from the subject Computer Architecture and Organization. First, we see about what is computer organization and what is computer architecture. Computer organization deals with how various memory and I/O devices interact with the system. That is, it refers to the operational units of the computer and their interconnections. Computer architecture deals with instructions, addressing modes, ALU, pipeline, etc. That is, it refers to the internal designs of the computer system. Let me explain some basics of computer system. You all know what is computer. What is computer? It is an electronic device which accepts the input from outside world, processes it and produces the result based on some algorithms and store the result for further processing. In computer system, everything is based on data. What is data? Data is a raw material, that is unprocessed data. Example for data is numbers and characters. The processed data is called information. We know the computer system cannot think of its own. We have to instruct the computer to perform a task. How do you instruct a computer? We instruct the computers through the programs. What is program? Programs is a list of instructions which perform a task. How do you write the programs? Programs are written in programming languages. The programming languages may be a machine language, assembly language or high-level language. Let me explain the functional units of computer. It is also known as computer system organization. There are 5 functional components of computer system: input unit, memory unit, output unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and control unit. Let me explain one by one. First one is input unit. Computers accept input through input units. The input unit accepts instruction and data from outside the world and convert these instruction and data in computer acceptable form. Then it supplies the data to the memory. The most common input device is keyboard. Some of other input devices are the touchpad, mouse, joystick, trackball, microphones and cameras. The next unit is memory unit. The function of the memory unit is to store programs and data. There are 2 types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. First one is the primary memory. It is also known as main memory. It is a fast memory that operates at electronic speed. Primary memories are volatile memory. Volatile memory means when a power is off, the contents of main memory will be lost. The program execution always begins from main memory. The main memory consists of large number of semiconductor storage cells, each capable of storing 1 bit of information. Each cell is identified by an address. Addresses are consecutive numbers starting from 0. The time required to access one word is called the memory access time. Example for primary memory is RAM and ROM. Next, secondary memory. Secondary memories are less expensive and permanent storage. When we want to store large amount of data, we go for secondary storage. Secondary memories are non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory means when a power is off, the contents of secondary storage will not be lost. Access times for secondary storage are longer than for primary memory. Example, magnetic disk, optical disk, and flash devices. Then cache memory. It is a smaller and faster RAM unit. It holds the section of program that are currently being executed. The purpose of cache memory is to facilitate high instruction execution rate. Next unit is output unit. The output unit sends processed results to the outside the world. The output unit accepts the produced result which are in coded form. Then it converts this result to human acceptable form and sends to the outside world. A familiar example of output device is printer. Other output devices are speaker, monitor, plotter, etc. Next unit is arithmetic and logic unit. The arithmetic and logic unit and control unit form together central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. The ALU performs all arithmetic and logical operations. The arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, if two numbers located in the memory are to be added, they are brought into the processor and the addition is carried out by the ALU. Registers are resided inside the processor. These are high-speed storage element. Each register can store one word of data. The access time of registers are faster than the cache unit. Then control unit. The control unit controls the operation of all units of computer system. The control unit is effectively the nerve center that sends control signals to other units and sends their states. Data transfer between the processor and memory are also managed by the control unit through timing signals. Thank you.